Stop paying people to host your FiveM server for you. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to build a fully working FiveM server on a Windows VPS from zero. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to connect using a custom domain like play.example.com. Yes, no weird IPs, no confusion, just clean professional access using Cloudflare DNS. And the best part, this is a standalone server. Perfect if you just want to test scripts, run a dev server, or don't want ESX or QBCore bloat. If you've ever thought this looks complicated, trust me, it's not. Let's build it. So first thing first, you want to go to airnode.nl, get yourself a virtual private server. It depends on your needs, but I have bought VPS 6. Just click on order now and proceed with the checkout, and then you should go to your client area after you have paid, and you should see your active products or services. Click on view details and then scroll down and click on end user panel. All right, we are in the panel. Click on settings, install. Let's use Windows 2025. Set a new password. Save it in your notepad or whatever, and then click on reinstall. This should take maybe 5 minutes max. Alright, so my VPS is done rebuilding. As you can see, connect using RDP. Search up RDP, enter the IP address, and then click on connect. Then it will ask you for username. Just type in administrator and then the password you just set. And then you can click on remember me and allow its certificate. So first things first, we need to open the FiveM ports. We will open FiveM TCP port, FiveM UDP port, and txAdmin port. We'll do this with the script since it's way faster, and I'll put the script in the description. So to make the script, just go to your downloads folder, make a new text document. Let's call it open ports.bat, but first view, show, and then file name extensions because it's still a text file. Actually, it's fine. And then copy the script that is in the description. All it does is just open these ports 30120 and 40120. Save it, rename the file from .txt to .bat, yes, and you want to run it as administrator. Alright, so FiveM is open and also txAdmin. Let's close this since I don't care about all that. You can delete the script now, it's fine. Let's open a browser. And let's look up FiveM artifacts. This should be then this first link for Windows Master. You also have Linux. And let's download the latest recommended. Then you want to cut this, go to this PC, local disk, make a new folder called FiveM. Within FiveM, make a new folder called server data, and then also paste the zip file in the FiveM folder. You want to extract all files from there. Alright, after it has extracted everything, let's rename that folder to FXServer. Delete the old 7-zip folder, go into FXServer, search for the FXServer.exe, run that, and it should start. So then you should see this. If it doesn't auto open this, just hold Control and click on this here, and put in the 4-digit PIN code 6072. It will link your account. Then sign in CFX, there we go. Click on continue, so authenticate. You can add your Discord ID, which I will do. So enter your Discord ID and add a backup password. Then let's do a server name like airnode demo. We'll choose a popular recipe, the basic FX server. You want to change the path to server data, save, go to recipe deployer, next, get a license key from the portal, so sign in with CFXRE, go to, here I already have a key, so Let's delete that and make a new one. Oh, yes, delete, generate key, call it inode, or whatever, it doesn't really matter. Copy the key, paste it here, run recipe, and it should be done loading within a few seconds. Next, you don't have to change anything here unless you want a different host name. Do not change the TCP or UDP endpoints, keep it like that, and then click on save and run server. Now the server is running, so let's open up FiveM and connect to the server. Let's do F8, connect to the IP address and then the port. And yes, our server is publicly accessible by everyone. Let's now also add a DNS record. So you can do like play dot. This is, for example, my domain, easy API solutions. Then you can do like play easy API solutions, whatever. So I use Cloudflare. So let's go to Cloudflare for this. Look for your domain name. And then go to DNS, records, add record. It should be a record, play, and then enter the IP address of your VPS. Do not proxy it. And it should be the same for all the other stuff. So a record, play, and then the IP address. So let's try that as well. Since we connected now with the IP address, let's open FiveM again. All right, so let's do connect play.easy API solutions. As you can see, it just works flawlessly. This only works with virtual private servers. If you have game hosting, this will not work. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.